So glad you're with us today. We want to get right over to meteorologist Josh Johns. So much going on today, Josh.
Yeah, and thankfully we're on the quieter side of things today as our system's starting to move out. But overnight, we had some pretty big thunderstorms that rolled through, especially in the evening hours, and pretty strong ones over our western counties. And then that turned into a line of thunderstorms that's worked through, and a few lingering thunderstorms behind that. That last one producing a little area of what was dime-size hail in the Rockdale area. Dime to nickel-size hail reported there in Rockdale, and that fell for approximately 10 minutes. That thunderstorm is weakened, but the big thunderstorms we saw yesterday evening were really big hail producers, and it's from this little storm that started out just off to the west of San Saba, a supercell thunderstorm, which means it was a rotating thunderstorm that moved all the way up Mills, Hamilton, and Bosque County, even through Hill County as well, and then all those thunderstorms developed behind it. But in its wake, it left some pretty big hail reports in the Gulf Wade area. You saw hail that got up to the size of golf balls. We'll go ahead and query that once again. Hail up to the size of golf balls that happened there towards the Gulf Wade area, and it doesn't want to work. But still, golf balls that fell in Gulf Wade, close to golf balls that fell in Hamilton, and close to golf balls and hen eggs that fell in the Meridian area. So big hail that worked across our western counties. And now, since those thunderstorms moved through, it zapped the energy from our atmosphere. And so we're just dealing with little light rain and little showers and thunder showers working across central Texas. The strongest of which now sitting over here towards Buffalo, starting to move out of Buffalo and back over there towards parts of, we'll pull that out of the way, starting to move into parts of Freestone County as well with some lightning with it. And then back down over Bell County, you're just seeing some light to moderate rain at times. A pretty good moderate batch working through Nolanville, about to move through Belton and up towards Morgan's Point as well. That's still going to make the roadways wet, so you need to be giving yourself some extra time as you're getting out on the roads this morning, and give some distance between you and the car in front of you with the slick roadways in place. Some light rain working over Waco, some moderate to heavy rain, or light to moderate rain rather, working over northern Coryell County, going to be moving through Clifton as well. So off and on showers currently. We're going to be dealing with that for the next 2 hours or so before drier air works in. Future Track shows you that will be happening closer to around 9 o'clock with that drier air coming in. And then in the afternoon, sunshine expected. It'll be a really nice day on the way for your Thursday. And then moisture works back in overnight, or rather on Friday into the weekend, bringing in those shower and thunderstorm chances again. This is why I say be careful on the roads. Look how much rain or how much wetness is out there on the roadway right now on I-14, Highway 190 there in Bell County. Temperatures in the 50s this morning, except where you're out ahead of the cold front. Lower 60s there towards Centerville. Low 50s back in our western county. So you may need the jacket as you're stepping out the door. Won't need it in the afternoon though. Lower 70s on the way, and I think after around lunchtime it'll actually feel pretty nice. And then tonight's lows dropping down into the 40s with that drier air in place. We'll keep the dry air around for Friday. So if you want to wash the car, Friday's the day to do it. Low 80s on the way with south winds at about 15 miles per hour. We'll drop down into the 50s overnight, 70s on Saturday, upper 60s on Sunday as another cold front pulls through. That'll bring us some small rain chances Sunday and Monday, and then we get the warmer air coming back in. Small storm chances before our next system comes in, cooling us down to the 60s by the end of the week.
All right, Josh, thanks for that.